What are maintenance metrics? Maintenance metrics are numerical measurements that track specific processes, like daily work orders received by the maintenance department. These metrics quantify performance, offering insights into your facility's operations, and guiding better decision-making for improvements. There is a difference between maintenance KPIs and maintenance metrics. KPIs connect progress to performance, while metrics connect performance to action. In other words, KPIs are the target you're aiming at, and metrics are the arrows you're shooting at the target. For example, your maintenance KPI might take downtime, and the metrics you measure for this KPI might include mean time to repair.